Hello lovely people and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And if today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. We are so happy to have you here. And my name's Joy. On this channel, we'll be bringing to you latest news and gist. And if you'd like to see more videos from this channel, do go ahead and click on that red button down below that is subscribing and turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified anytime we upload videos. You will be the first to hear Bagam and you come and enjoy it. Oh my god. So in this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. So with that being said, let's get into the video.
The issue of the Fulanese and the issue of the Southern governors. You all know the Southern governors. This evening we are going to expose who are the real problems of the Biafrans. The problem of the Biafrans has always been the leaders, the politicians, the elders, and the governors. The governors, somebody say I add weight. Why I no go add weight? Why I no go add weight? I no be human being. I go add weight now. All right. So the governors has always been the problem. I don't know whether if I want to build more to add more weight. Maybe that's when respect will come. You see, these people think that we are made. Look at. Did you see that? Some people think that we are made to look. Okay? They think that we are made. See, I'm turning to Obama overnight. I'm turning to Obama overnight. All right. So we are going to discuss this evening. So now, for example, the governors that when the Southern governors converged at Enugu State, where they converged at Enugu State, you know that almost all the Biafra people, all the Biafra governors, all the Southeast, the so-called Southeast governors were all absent. Are you people aware of that? They were all absent. Only the Enugu State governor were present in that meeting. And that should tell you a lot. That should tell you why a lot of things are going wrong in Biafra land. The governor of Ebonyi State, he was not there. The governor of Anambra State, he was not there. Governor of Abia State, he was not there. Governor of Imo State, he was not there. It's only the governor, the hosting governor, that were present in that meeting. So what does that tell you? Tell you that they don't care about you. That's why we are very, very serious in this struggle, because we know the politicians never care. They never care for you. They are only interested in what they get. And then also, when you see all the elders gallivanting and shouting, if you do not give us the presidency, we are going to support Biafra, we are going to do this, we are going to do that. And today, the northern leaders have come to give the voice. And you know what that means? It was a direct threat on governors and the leaders in the South. Complete direct threat. So let the South have set a very good precedence, which is coming together to form Southern Governors Forum that was never there before. And I say that any day the Southern governors come together to form Southern Governors Forum, the beginning of the disintegration of Nigeria. So the South should just take it upon themselves now and don't look face. The governors of the Southern Nigeria must take it upon themselves without looking face and demand the dissolution of Nigeria. What does it take? They can even divide Nigeria into two. What are they waiting for? What are the Southern governors waiting for? To divide the country. Let us even say, why can't the governors say, if you do not allow us to do this, let the country be divided? So what are they waiting for? They want to start romancing Fulanese. This evening we are going to, touch on a very sensitive part of this struggle this evening. The South must wake up and stop all this nonsense. The northern leaders will come and tell you, we are in democracy. You see, and we warned you from the beginning. We warned you, but what do we know? We are online agitators. We are miscreant. We are miscreant. What did we know? You must kill people in Obibo to get. You must kill people in Obibo to get presidential ticket. You must kill people in Ohozara to get presidential ticket. You must constitute a Bubago to get presidential ticket. You must jump into APC to get presidential ticket. You must jump into this. You know, all those things were deceived. They deceive you. They deceive you. APC can never give you a presidential ticket as a Biafran, because even no Southerner today will get presidential ticket, because they know if they do it, you are going to divide Nigeria. They know you have lost hope in Nigeria. They know that you are only looking for opportunity to be given that ticket. And once you get that ticket, you are going to use it to divide Nigeria. So we don't want you to. We want the division of Nigeria to come from them. And Buhari, the man they call Buhari, the man parading himself as Buhari, is doing that job very well. Nobody will remove that man. He will be there until Nigeria is disintegrated, and Nigeria will not last more than next year, because we have seen it. We want that immediately. So why would they not tell you that you are not welcome there? All right. So what we are trying to say is that the Southern leaders must wake up now before it is too late. They must wake up to support us, support we are not even asking them to, because we know they will never support us. With the current situation in Nigeria, they will never support us. And I will continue to call on everybody creating this awareness, especially raising this alarm on our people. Those of you in Anambra State, make sure you don't go out with any customized car. The Fulani have come. You see, the information reaching us is that DSS was the one who shot the husband of Dora Akunyili. That was eyewitness to that particular brutal murder, assassination of that man. DSS killed him. DSS killed him. And one thing about Nigeria is that even from the video we saw when he was killed, the man was struggling and nobody to help him. Nobody to help him. Where are you going to get emergency? No emergency. Nobody. They shot his head, and he was still alive. He was still alive. Nobody was there to help him. The DSS in Nigeria, they killed that man. They killed that man. They want to be sending message. They want to be sending big message to Biafra people. That is why everybody must rise up. Everybody must rise up. When you think it doesn't concern you, when you think it doesn't concern you, when you think Dr. Chike is not from your village, you think that Dr. Chike is not your uncle, it is going to touch everybody. You see, the Fulani have come. They are the one perpetrating this killing. They are the one orchestrating it. They are the one sponsoring it. They are the one aiding it. And you are not talking. The governors are not talking. All of them. Even the governor of Ebonyi State. Governor of Ebonyi State have killed more Biafrans than anybody. He is killing them in Onitsha local government. Every day they say they are killing ESN. Every day they say they are killing IPOB. Every day they are killing our young men and our women, and they call them IPOB. Every day they kill our people, they call them ESN. Every blessed day in Ebonyi State, they are committing genocide there. And nobody is talking. Nobody is talking, no. Nobody is talking. These people that you are killing, they have friends, they have families, they have brothers and they have sisters. Some of them are mad. Some of the sisters, some of their brothers, they have taken up arms against the state. That is what is happening. Some of them are being sponsored by Fulanis. Some of them are being sponsored by Usman Danfodio lineage. Some of them are being sponsored by Sultan of Sokoto. So the people you see committing all this kind of heinous crime in Biafra land today, you caused it. You promoted it. Your silence is promoting it. When people are being killed in Ebonyi State, none of you talked against it. None of you spoke against it. Or are you saying you are not hearing in the news that Ebonyi State, Bubago, are murdering people on daily basis? Are you going to say you didn't hear it? You didn't hear it. But let me tell you, children were being murdered, assassinated in Ebonyi State by Dave Omahe. None of you talked. You didn't see it on the social media. And when you see people, being angered by what is going on, and they go on rampage and start killing people, then everybody's reacting. When Fulani sponsored this killing, nobody talk. None of you.
Okay, guys, so that'll be all from us today. And we do hope to see you in our next video. And if you have anything to say about this particular video, go ahead and drop it at the comment section, okay? And we'll get back to you. For now, it's goodbye and stay blessed. Bye. Joy.